deepen your more back bend, or how you can improve your back flexibility, or how you can deepen your camel pose, or how you can deepen your Kapotasana, like pigeon pose. Okay, so we see. Now see, first you have to stand like this, then slowly drop your knee down. Okay, then after that you have to just bring your knee as close as possible, keep going back side. Then just knee a little again, same like shoulder joint. Okay, then you have to little push your rib cage up. Then slowly lie down and try to bring your shoulder blade or the thoracic region as far as possible back side. Okay, so I will little help her to little, I will pull here. Okay, then after that I will rotate your shoulder inwards and little press down, stretch. Okay, and after that I will give you a strap and just keep moving down, then keep moving down as possible. Take it down and try to stay here, and in this you will feel comfortable because your whole body is supported. Load is not going anywhere because whole the weight is going on the chair or on this pillow. So you will not feel any kind of uncomfortable. You will just feel the stretch, because when you're doing without support, the pressure is going on your backbone, which is creating pressure to your the disc in between your vertebral column. But when you're trying with the support, no pressure is going on the bone, only stretch is going on. So this practice will help you to improve your flexibility. Okay, and now you can just keep moving as down as possible. Even same thing you can do with the wheel or with keeping 4 or 5 blocks. Okay, and just little press down, and in this you can stay there as long as possible and focus on your breathing. Because you know, when you're doing direct, first problem is you are getting back pain because all the pressure is going on the bone, on your backbone. Second, you're difficult to take the breath, but here you can take comfortably breathing. Okay, so you just need to arrange chair, strap and pillow and just jump and do the posture. Okay, thank you.